Hey everyone, I'm bringing you in to show you guys what I'm making myself for today. I am going to make a cucumber tomato salad. I have peeled 2 cucumbers that I had in the refrigerator that needed to get used up, and I am slicing them up. I did cut them down the center, so half moon is the shape that I'm going for with these cucumbers. And I'm just going to do just cucumbers and tomatoes. This is something that we used to make all the time when I was a kid because we grew a lot of cucumbers and tomatoes, and so we used to make this a lot, and it was something we always had in the refrigerator growing up, and we could freely eat it. It was one of those free snacks that my mom used to keep in the refrigerator. And so I have these. I needed to get them used up. And so I'm going to make one for myself. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. I was checking to make sure that you could see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing on the screen. And let you guys know that I'm around, I'm doing things. Today is a lazy day for me. And I am getting things done today. You know, I got the dishwasher loaded up and got spice fed and outside, and I did make breakfast this morning for myself. I just had me an omelet this morning, a couple of eggs with some cheese, no bread. Wait, I did have 2 corn tortillas with it, yeah. All right, so there we go, those 2 cucumbers. And then I am going to take 2 tomatoes, 2 Roma tomatoes, and just give them a dice. Now, yesterday I was reading through the comments, and you guys are excited to see me go to the farm once a week, and so leave a comment in the bottom of this video too as well if you haven't done it on the community page where I posted it. If you guys want to see me go to the farm once a week and give myself a few dollars to go out there and see what I can find. I know they are preparing for, it's spring, so they're preparing for strawberries. And what I'll do next time I go out there is I will get my camera out and film the fields for you. Because as you drive in, you can see all the fields. And, you know, there's some empty ones out there. They're getting ready to plant. And they already have some things in the field. They did say that the things that are coming out of the field right now are cabbages, and I think they said mustard greens. And so my favorites out of the haul that I just had was the carrots. Those carrots look huge. beautiful. And let me wipe this down. And the carrots and the cabbage. I'm going to make a coleslaw with that cabbage, part of it. And I'm just so ready to have fresh salads in my refrigerator at all times, and be able to, add them to my that's a seed. Okay. Yeah, it's a seed. Guys, I've been having trouble with gnats in my house. And I do not know why I have gnats in my house. And so, I don't know if you can see them, but they're driving me nuts. I think I'm going to get some of those strips and get rid of them. But look, see, this is a beautiful little salad for myself. And I'm going to take it and put a lid on it. And get it in the refrigerator. And that's a nice little salad. I have still the carrot and cranberry salad that I have in there. I still have one serving left of the other one. I made 2 of those. And so yeah, that's what I'm up to today, along with a cup of coffee. Hang on, because I'll be back. Well, guys, I just took my blood sugar, and my blood sugar said I could have some lunch. So today, this is what's for lunch. I am using up the rest of that taco meat that I made out of turkey, believe it or not, and used up the last avocado, tomato, sliced up a tomato, sour cream, and those are 0-carb street taco tortillas. So this, my friends, is what's for lunch. What an awesome lunch. Love me some street tacos. All right, everyone. This is my last post for today. Let me tell you, this is what's for dinner. We have a couple of ham and cheese sliders with mayonnaise and tomato. We have a tomato cucumber salad with avocado dressing. And we have a carrot cranberry salad with a little mayo dressing, and all of it has some lime juice squeezed all over it. So you guys be blessed, because I know I am.